kind of people, more unboxings. Surprise, surprise. Again, we have Notiq. And as I said in my other Notiq unboxing that I did recently, they're kind of doing their 2-year anniversary. So like over a few weeks, they're having new releases. So last time I did an unboxing of this Hobonichi, oops, let me move this for a second. This Hobonichi cover, it's called the Slim Wallet. And you can actually buy an insert for this if you like to do cash envelope systems, or you can use it as a Hobonichi cover. I haven't decorated the pockets yet, but I have been carrying this and I just love it. So let's see what's in here. So let's start with the tiny box first. So again, I got, let's get rid of this box. So I got this nice little note from the founder. Ugh, I always rip it. Dang it. And this nice velvety, dusty pink. Oh my God. Oh, this is the one I should have got in the first place. Now, don't get me wrong. I like this because it's very neutral. This will go with anything. But I went back and forth. Do I get the bone, which is what this is called, or do I get this pink lizard? And oh my God, I'm so glad I went back for the pink lizard. Look at that. Well, let me get it closer so you can look. Can I get a little bit of light over here? Oh, that doesn't help. I hope you can tell the color. It's kind of dark in my office. So obviously, since I really, really love this one that I bought, I decided to get the pink lizard, and I absolutely love it. I do. So of course the pocket configuration is exactly the same as this one. So there you go. Ooh. You know, the problem is there's about 3 other colors I want. So, yeah, that is really pretty. I like it. So now I got to decide. Do I stick with this one for now? It does really match this week's pretty good. Wow. Yeah. So there's like a red one I want. The black lizard I want. Oh my gosh, there's like a pink Saffiano I want. So if you didn't watch my unboxing of this, I'll just tell you, this is, of course, not real snake skin, obviously, or lizard skin. It's, and it's not real leather. It's vegan leather. But, you know, the nice thing is, this I would not worry about throwing in my bag if it, you know, if something gets on it. It's got a little bit of a shiny feel to it, and I think you could just wipe something right off of here. So it's got rose gold on this one, which is really pretty. Got a secretarial pocket with all these card pockets in the front. You could slip the front cover if you want to of your weeks in here. The back cover could go in here. You got these card pockets here. And then their signature wing pocket. So it's kind of got this wing shape. I don't know how easy it is to see. Yeah, you can see that. So yeah, I'm really glad I went back for that. I will say I keep looking at this spot here. I'm not sure I really like how that, I mean, I can see this little string sticking out here, but I don't get that. Well, you can see a little bit of the edge, I guess. But this one, I feel like there's a little bit of a overhang here where the string is not sewn right. I think I might actually contact them and tell them. Yeah, it's like the stitches popped out here. I don't know. Oops. Yeah, it's like the stitches popped. It's not sewn in the right place. So I'm going to have to see if I am bothered by that enough to contact them. I think I might, because, yeah, I'm going to see if they will send me a different one. But I really, really love the pink lizard. So let's get to this big box. Okay. So again, let me take all this out of the box. I'm going to take this invoice out that has my name and address. So this is the name of the collection. They sent this nice little card, poster, advertisement, whatever it is, flyer. Yeah, I have that lizard planner. I just love the lizard, the black lizard. Anyway, I had my eye on this bag. So she made this bag in black and white and then also one in red and white. And I was like, I just got to get that bag because I love houndstooth. And I didn't expect the bag to be like over $200. So after the release day, you know, came around and I brought it up on the website and I was like, what? So needless to say, there's not a bag to unbox today. So, so this kind of looks like the story of, you know, like the mission and stuff of Notiq and some planner information. So that's kind of nice. All right, let's get down to it. Two things in here. Okay, I'm gonna start out with the tiny one. I really didn't need this, but look at this cute little pencil case. Oh my God. In the pink lizard. Isn't it pretty? Okay, maybe I didn't need it, but I'm sure the hell glad I bought it. Look at how pretty it is. Oh my God. I love it. So look at how nice these look together. Ooh. Yes. So it's got this nice pull here. It's got the rose gold hardware. It's really cute. I like it. Okay. Oh, man. Holy smokes. It's a zip planner. Okay, so I'm going to have to like zoom out a little bit on my, or maybe not. Well, let me give you an idea here. Okay, so to give you an idea of like the whole picture here, but now I'm going to zoom back in. Okay, now hopefully it's focused. Okay, so this is a zip style planner, and oh, I really want to take this off of the tassel, but and that's really, I thought that would pull off really easy, but oh, I see. Okay, so bear with me. Oh, it does pull off. Okay, so it's got this adorable tassel pull, and again, it matches the other pink lizard items that have the rose gold hardware. Here's the Notiq logo, the rose gold zipper. Oh God, this is so freaking cute. I love it. Okay, take out the stuffing. Okay, so here's what we have. All right, so there's a secretarial pocket, and 1, 2, 3, I don't know what you'd call these pockets. These are just pockets. I don't want to call them card pockets because they're way bigger than a card. There's the Notiq logo down here. And on this side, you have a pen loop. It does not have elastic. And then you do have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 card pockets and then her signature wing pocket. So the only thing when I watched her, oh, and then this slip pocket here, obviously, for you to put your book in. The thing that I thought of when she introduced this was how sad I was that the wing pocket is actually going to get covered up by the book when you put it in here. I would have rather seen the wing pocket over here, but it's a small thing that isn't going to ruin it for me or anything. Let's see if I can get this chunky Retro 51 pen in here. So the pen loop has been really smashed down flat from shipping, so that is why I appear to be struggling. There we go. Okay, my Retro 51 pen is pretty chunky, and I was able to get it in there. So it's pretty tight fit, but it'll go. Let's see. So what I really bought this for was I bought the 2022 Wonderland 222. And so I was going to show that to you guys in here, and I don't know where I set it. So I'm just going to grab a random B6 notebook and put it in there to show you what it looks like. Okay, I have this Stology here. It's got this clear cover on it from Lauren Phelps Designs. So let's just slip that puppy in here. Oh, look how nice that fits. So you got plenty of room. So this is very generously cut. So I'm guessing, like, you know, if you had tabs, I'd pull this out a little bit more so it doesn't hit the pen loop. But you have plenty of room in here to not only have your B6, but also you can have it a clear cover on it too with no problem whatsoever. So there's plenty of space in there to, you know, it's very generous. So if you want to put your stickers in your pockets and whatnot, you'll have plenty of space. This is so cute. I want to start using this right away. I don't want to wait till January. This is really pretty. Okay. So anyway, that is what I got from Notiq today. So we have the B6. We have the Hobonichi, or this is technically called the Slim Wallet, and it is for their insert, their cash wallet insert, or Hobonichi, but I just call it Hobonichi cover. And adorable pencil case. So that is my haul from Notiq today. So, and I should mention, this also comes in an A5 size. So if A5 is your jam, and she has tons of colors, so you can check it out and see if there's anything you like at Notiq. So thanks for joining me, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.